Hey guys, we're Florida Parks After Dark. Hey, we are here at the Caribbean Beach Resort. Now, for those who don't know, Caribbean Beach Resort is a very big, probably one of the biggest resorts Walt Disney World has, and is made up of different island chains. So each of the little groups of buildings is named after island, Jamaica, Martinique, etc. This is Old Port Royale. Old Port Royale is actually check-in and where the counter service is. So I want to come and show you guys this right now. So we're walking in. So you guys get a chance to peek at this. So this is a moderate resort. It is located a stone's throw from Epcot. It's actually a little insider information. It is located on the circle with Riviera, which is the deluxe resort. So we're here right now in the lobby area. So you kind of come in this main area, and this is grand entrance kind of thing. If you go to your left, which we're going to do right now, that's check-in. Now, I love, real quick, just to pause, I gotta show you this. Those fans are just crazy cool. But, so this is check-in. What's great about check-in here is they kind of use these tables. You don't really go to the counter per se. You kind of come in, they check in at the tables, you get all your stuff, bands. It's a great little spot. And then along the way, obviously, got a place for the kids to sit and watch a little Bluey. Where they go. Now, that's check-in. I love the fact they have these big curtains that kind of can give you the sense of breaking the space up. On the other side of this majestic hallway is their store. It's the Calypso Trading Post. Now, very nice store. Very, very nice store. We'll take a quick walkthrough. Up in the front here, they have the 2025 merchandise. You've seen a lot of this in the other videos we have. And then you kind of come in now. It is Easter time here, so this by far goes down to some of the cutest Easter stuff we've seen. Mickey's winking at you with his carrot. You go down. Minnie has a chocolate bunny, and they're both the onesies. But they have all their tropical stuff, and they have their own Caribbean Beach merchandise right here in the beginning, which has got to be one of the best mugs ever. Look at Mickey. He's awesome. Dog runs. Hold on, gotta get the glasses down. God, that's terrible. $16.99, because I thought that's actually a very good price for these mugs. And then they have the shirt with all the different island chains on it. And then there's a whole Stitch section, because secretly Stitch does run Disney. And then they have all your tropical shirts and all that coming around, raining around the side here. Down the middle, you have your lounge flies. That's a great little lounge fly, actually. And then if you kind of break away from all the clothing, you have a whole little table here of different lounge flies. And then they kind of have your perfunctory ears, which are just pretty cool. $34.99 for the ears. And then, because Caribbean Beach is so spread out, they do have like almost a little market here where you can pick up a lot of different kind of food and items. Oh, and they got the mini munchlings. Guys, look at how awesome these are. So in the box, there's mystery munchlings. So here's the 3 different kinds of munchlings they got out. Obviously, Mickey, Goofy, and honestly, no idea. But you can get it, and it gives a plushie. They're $12 when you buy 2, or like $14.99 each. So they kind of come around, and they have the stuffies in the back here. So it's kind of a cute little store. We like it. Now, we're gonna start heading out as we meander by the lines and start heading towards the front, because I gotta show you the rest of this resort. So come with me. So we're gonna head out the store. Right next to the store, they have this little grab and go area. So outside the grab and go area, they actually have the Centertown Market. Now, Centertown Market is that. It's a really cool centerpiece there, but that's your quick service. You order the food there, they give you a number, and then you go to the number counter. So there's where you pick up your specialty coffees, and then they come with different pickup windows, and that's where your food will end up. Their windows are numbered. 2, 1 was coffee, and 2, 3, and 4. And then they kind of have all the areas back here to sit, and all your drinks and stuff. Really kind of a nice space. Now what's interesting about a resort this big is that this dining area actually is not big. You would think it would be really big given how large this resort is. It's a very big resort. But I would say, given the fact that it is not easy to get here, one of the biggest criticisms of this resort we've heard repeatedly is to get anywhere you've got to take a bus. And so you got to wait for a bus at a bus stop to go internally around, much less out to the parks. So that's the lobby area. Now, this is all very cool and all, but the back is awesome. Let's show you this. So straight out the back, first thing you run into is this beautiful fountain, and they got these great lights over top. Now, that building over there, way out in the distance, that's Riviera. And that's a deluxe resort that's on this inner circle. And it goes out that way, and then over there is a lighthouse, because there's this huge body of water out back here. You can rent boats, and they kind of... Now, this is a self-contained lake, so this doesn't connect. So this isn't a way to get to Disney Springs or to get to a park, but you can take boats out here. And then it kind of comes around out here. This is a great little walkway. So we're gonna peel back around. We're gonna go back through here because I want to show you guys out this way. So again, we're walking back towards the lobby. I gotta show you this real quick. Show you how big this is. So that's the resort. It goes Trinidad, Jamaica, Barbados, Aruba, Martinique, and at the very top is Riviera. So what's great about this resort is that it is a major hub for the Skyliner. So from that Skyliner you can get to Riviera, you can get to Art of Animation, to Pop Century, you can get to Hollywood Studios, and you get Epcot from here. So it's really neat. Now, back here is the pool area. And we'll come around this way. The pool area is outstanding. It is such a neat vibe. I gotta show you. Hold on, give me one sec. Okay, now, if that doesn't scream Pirates of the Caribbean, I don't know what does. Now, this is Caribbean Beach Resort, Pirates of the Caribbean. I don't think it's a coincidence. I think this is kind of what it is. So, that's the pool. It has cannons and water and slides in the back there. And if you come back this way, I'm gonna show you their water park. Their water park for little guys is great. So real quick, back here in the corner is this. So this is their splash park. And their splash park is a boat that's broken apart on a reef and water spraying everywhere, and it is just great. That top of the bucket that dumps and water sprays everywhere, and they have slides and they have everything. Just really a neat water park, and I'm stalling a little bit hoping that bucket dumps, but I think I'm gonna lose out. So we're gonna keep going. I'm giving up. So out the back here, this is Banana Cabana. Banana Cabana is casual dining, obviously great bar area. Steel drums are the lights. I mean, what's not to like about this, right? It's almost like a sports bar slash beach bar slash Caribbean energy. And then their formal dining is Sebastian's. Now, Sebastian's is a seafood restaurant, which is odd to have Sebastian the crab on it when it's a seafood restaurant, but that's what it is. So it's there, and this is their fine dining here. And we showed you, I'll show you the menu very quickly. As you can tell, this is a higher end dining experience than obviously counter service or Banana Cabana. And we were around this way and we saw this, but that again is Riviera Resort and the lighthouse. That's just a great spot. And then you might not be able to see them, but there you go, you can see it. So that's the Skyliner. That Skyliner is running from the Riviera out to Pop Century. And then behind that is the Epcot Bowl. And then if you go straight over there, that center section actually is a island. Yes, they have an island. There's a bridge that goes across that island right there. Let me get past the lights. Right there, where those guys are. You go onto that island. Now, there's a playground on the island, and that's when they do their movies at night. So they really put a lot into this space, and it's not a big centralized lobby area because it's being so spread out. There's other pools peppered out kind of throughout the countries, or the little buildings, but they do such a nice job here. So
Colors chosen are...
with that being said, guys, this is your full for after dark. We're here at Caribbean Beach Resort. Moderate, good resort. Lots to offer you. It is spread out. It is transportation challenging, but it is a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful space, as I will show you. So with that being said, guys, do me a favor, like and subscribe, and we'll talk to you guys later.